The Supreme Court on Tuesday granted bail to Bharat Rashtra Samiti leader K. Kavita in the Central Bureau of Investigation and Enforcement Directorate cases against her in the Delhi excise policy case. Now, the bench comprising Justices B.R. Gavai and K.V. Vishwanathan criticized the Delhi High Court's decision to deny the application of a key exception for women in the bail provisions of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act (PMLA) when it rejected Kavita's bail plea in April. Now, what the Supreme Court said? Let's find out. The Delhi High Court on July 1st had denied bail to Kavita. Among other grounds, Justices Savarna Kanta Sharma held that Kavita was a well-educated woman who could not be considered vulnerable, so the exception would not apply to her. A trial court order by Judge Kaveri Baveja had interpreted the provision on the same lines to deny bail to Kavita. The Supreme Court bench reportedly stated, if this Delhi High Court order is allowed to become law, this perverse observation would mean no educated woman can get the bail. Now, what does the law state and why did Delhi High Court refuse to apply the exception for women? Section 45 of the PMLA provides for bail on money laundering charges. This provision in the law, like the stringent bail standard in the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act 1967 UAPA, puts the onus on the accused to prove that there is no prima facie case against them while seeking bail. However, there is a crucial exception to the bail standard. It says, provided that a person who is under the age of 16 years or is a woman or is sick or infirm may be released on bail if the special court so directs. This exception is similar to exemptions under the Indian Penal Code for women and minors. The ED, like in Kavita's case, had made an argument that the accused was not a household lady. However, the High Court said that the PMLA or the Constitution does not make a distinction between a household lady, a businesswoman, or a political figure. But the court added a qualifier that the accused cannot be a flight risk or tamper witnesses to be eligible for bail. Judge Baveja had observed that Kavita is well educated and a well-placed woman in the society and could not be considered a vulnerable woman for the purposes of the exception under the PMLA. For more updates, keep watching the Indian Express.